Holes in website scripts. This article describing a few holes that can be done by newbies coding a PHP-based site. Holes in website scripts. I was messing around with our website and found a major security hole in it. After exploring the internet, I found another few websites that were vulnerable to this, so I decided to write a little tutorial about it. Introduction: the security of PHP/Perl/Java/ASP, or whatever, websites depends not only on the admin of the website but also on the coder that coded the script for the site. Let's say that the coder left the root's login/pass in the index.php page. It's only an example. Smiley face. So every ordinary web user can just view the source of this index.php page and see the root's login/pass, and then just log in as root. So web scripts can sometimes reveal sensitive data or have holes in it. This can sometimes lead to compromising of the site by a hacker. In this file I will show you an example of a hole in a PHP script that was found in our website, www.cdpgroup.cjb.net. This showing you how websites can be hacked only by using the browser's address tab and by viewing the code source. And to view the source in Internet Explorer/Opera, view-source. To view the source in Netscape, edit-source and part 1 was bored, so I just opened my browser and start watching at the source of our index.php file. I didn't know what I was looking for, and I was about to close the source window, and then I saw this. controlpanel.php is the member's website configuration file. When accessing the file, members can change /add/delete stuff on the site as news/posts, etc. The first idea was to write the file in the address tab and just access it. Of course, I was 99.9% sure that it won't work, but I wanted to see how the server will respond to it. So I just wrote www.cdpgroup.f2s.com/controlpanel.php. It showed me a blank PHP file. Nothing was there because the website's PHP script was configured so that controlpanel.php file can be accessed only with the member's login/pass, or else it will deny the access. I continued exploring the website, and then entered the tutorials page and viewed one of the tutorials. This what I saw in the address bar: www.group.f2s.com/tut/index.php. file equals /hackanon.html. The file equals parameter gives the PHP script a command to read the hackanon.html file. The dot stands for the current directory, and the slash divides between the directories. So the $file parameter reads the hackanon.html in the current directory, equals www.group.com/tut/hackanon.html. The slash sign means one directory up. If / equals to current directory, then / equals to one directory up. Here is an example for this in DOS and *nix so you will understand it better. X-DOS c:/drivers \dir cool 21/04/01/1915 file.txt 23,045 bytes 22/04/01/1432 1 file s 23,045 bytes for dir s 351,462,372 bytes free c:/drivers \cd. Equals to current directory. It stays in the same directory after the execution of the dir command. c:/drivers \cd equals to one directory up. It will go up one directory after the execution of the dir command. c:\x *nix root @preis hack /programs #pwd /root /programs root @preis hack /programs #cd root @preis hack /pwd root @preis hack /cd root @preis hack #. My target was to access the control panel.php file without the password. So I wrote this in the address bar: www.group.f2s.com/tut/index.php file equals /control panel.php, and this gave me the control panel.php file without any login/pass because the PHP script wasn't configured to deny access to the file through this method. I saw there an add news, delete news post, delete forum posts and other buttons. I wrote something in the Add News section and pressed on the Add News button. It gave me a page with error, invalid login name or password. It still required login/pass. But now, when I have the access to the control panel.php file, I can view the source code of it and look for bugs or anything else that can be useful. After looking through the whole source, I noticed this: add link, Do you see it? If $login equal to hard1r3 or Aztec, now I knew the logins of those members, then it will add another option to the control panel, called Add a Link. But it doesn't have a $pass parameter. That means it can be accessed without password. So now I could log in as Aztec/hard1r3 and add link to the links page as them, just by writing this www.cdpgroup.f2s.com/controlpanel.php login =Aztec &act =add link or www.cdpgroup.f2s.com/controlpanel.php login =hard w1r3 &act =add link. I looked above and saw this, and act poll change poll, and act add news, and act news delete news posts, and act link change link of the week, and act forum delete forum posts. Now I could not only change the link but also change poll, add/delete news. Changing link of the week and delete forum posts, only by changing the and act option. For example, if I wanted to change poll as Aztec, I would write this www.cdpgroup.f2s.com/controlpanel.php login =Aztec &act poll. So now I could abuse the site, but because of my honest conscience I didn't do that. Winky face. Part 2. Access the control panel.php file with this command www.group.f2s.com/tut/index.php file =control panel.php. Now, by changing the path I can have access to all the files on the site because the script wasn't configured to deny access to files using the file =1 directory up. I could access any of the files on the site only by using this command www.group.f2s.com/tut/index.php file =xxxxxxxxxxxxx. The X's represent any file on the site that I want to view. But now I need the exact paths and names of the files, so I can view them. I viewed the source of the control panel.php file and looked for names of files. One of the most interesting files that attract my attention was /config/password/members.config.php. That file stores all the members' passwords. I just wrote this in the address tab to view the file www.group.f2s.com/tut/index.php file equals /config/password/members.config.php, and I had all the members' logins and passwords. I could log in as any of the members and change posts/news/links, and I could access any file I wanted and see the source. After a little check, I found few websites that were vulnerable to this too. The only difference was that the parameter of the reading command, file equals, was different on every site. Yet another hole added by Aztec while I was surfing around my site, http://aztecslayer.cjv.net, I found a very big hole. Now my site runs some of the same scripts that CDP site runs. Go figure why. I was surfing around and I found that if you did a file equals /etc/password, it would give you the password file, kinda like the old PHP exploit. It's good that the server runs shadowing, or else I would not be responsible for my actions. This didn't seem too bad until I realized that if you gave the full path to the password file, x www.group.f2s.com, file equals /web/site/group/pastor/pass file, you could still buy it. Now the server CDP runs on has PHP compiled with safe mode on, which means it would never work on that. You cannot access anything that is outside your site's directory, but this was still a big hole on my site. I have patched it, so you are welcome to try. That's it for now. All newbies could learn something from this little tutorial. Prizehack. If you have any comments, mail me. prizehack@yahoo.com. Copyright 2001 Caffeinated Data Freaks.